In today's fast-paced world, harnessing innovation and smart manufacturing to ignite a new era in construction is the ambitious pursuit of PTH. In 2019, PTH established an elite team focused on product development. Over 4 years, through 3 iterations with a visionary approach, we've crafted the industry's pioneering, ultra-integrated, mass-producible, highly integrated prefabricated home, PrefabX Flip. PTH first proposed the introduction of mature automotive, fully automatic production line technology, leveraging years of industry experience and extensive expertise. PTH independently developed the world's first prefabricated housing 30-minute assembly line, integrated laser cutting, laser welding, AGV logistics, surface treatment, molding, assembly, and packaging, achieving comprehensive digital management of the production process and full traceability of quality control, leading the revolution in the field of intelligent manufacturing of prefabricated housing. PTH adheres to the belief of seeking development through innovation. We have pioneered the combination of building houses with online ordering mode, allowing customers to choose house types, water and electricity standards, outdoor facilities, indoor furniture, and other modules online. Customers can preview stylish and attractive design renderings online, enjoying an unprecedented, personalized custom concentration experience. PTH upholds the faith of seeking survival through quality. The PrefabX Flip product has now passed multiple certifications in Europe, America, Australia, and other countries and regions, and holds several domestic and international invention patents. All kitchen and bathroom utilities, including water and electricity, in PrefabX Flip are pre-installed in the factory. This innovative production method reduces the cumbersome on-site installation time by more than 80%, making it no longer a fantasy to move in with just a bag on the same day. PTH takes making the sky bluer, the water clearer, and the space where people work and live better as the company's mission. We are not just selling products, but also conveying a comprehensive, coordinated, and sustainable life philosophy, bringing more green buildings to the world. We are dedicating immense passion and drive to the sustainable development of the global prefabricated housing industry.